Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let us start with the third lecture of basic Urdu grammar, and let's revise something about the first lecture. And the second lecture is about like we just read about the alphabets and Urdu script and the letters and the sounds, and we just practice. And second video is about how to join the words and how it sounds when we join, and how we join, and how the alphabets will join and make a word. Now we are going to study about the sentences, how it forms, and in a single sentence we have some nouns and some verbs, like. So let's start with the basic introduction. Like we have harf, alphabet, harf, huruf at-tahajji. Every element, every member of the huruf at-tahajji, the alphabets of Urdu, which is known as huruf at-tahajji. Alif, be, pe, te, te, se, jim, che, he, khe. This is called huruf at-tahajji till ya. Huruf, the plural form of alphabets in Urdu, we called huruf. Okay. Now, when like a single alphabet, it's called harf. When two alphabet came together, we called it huruf. And when two or more alphabet collectively conjoined and make a word, it's called loves. Okay, like I just write an example for you. It's yesterday. In Urdu we called kal. Kal, kaf, and lam makes a word called kal, and that's we call in English is yesterday. तो इट्स मीन दो या दो से ज़्यादा हरूफ मिलकर अल्फाज बनते हैं in Urdu. But in English, for your understanding, I will explain like two and more alphabets will make a word. Because English is not my native language, so you find so many a, o, e while I'm explaining the sentences. Okay. When we get the concept of word, we will move forward to the sentences. Now we will understand how the sentences will make. Okay. When two and more than two words will conjoin, they will make a sentence. In Urdu, sentence will be called as फ़िक्रा. दो से ज़्यादा अल्फाज मिलकर एक फ़िक्रा बनाते हैं. फ़िक्रा वो होता है जिससे बात का मफ़हूम वाज़े ना हो. ठीक है. इनकम्प्लीट सेंटेंस इन इंग्लिश यू कैन से इट्स अ फ़िक्रा. ओके. दो या दो से ज़्यादा अल्फाज मिलकर एक फ़िक्रा बनाते हैं. You will understand the more thing about if you got misunderstanding or confusing between the sentence fikra and jumla. We will understand when we got to know more about it. Okay. The word ubla hua pani, garam khana. This is something missing about it. What boiled water? Boiled water? What is? Where is boiled water? What used of boiled water? What are you talking about boiled water? It's incomplete because it's not giving you a complete meaning, a complete sense of it. If I came to you and I said ula hua pani, or in English I would say garam khana. So what do you think about, like I'm just asking you for a fresh food or something, or I want to say that I have fresh food for you, or what there are so many possibilities for you to think about what I'm trying to say. So the fikra is incomplete, the sentence which have no proper meaning, but how it will generate or create. So it will create by conjoining two and more than two words. Okay, now it's your turn. This is जुमला सेंटेंस. दो या दो से ज़्यादा अल्फाज मिलकर एक फ़िक्रा बनाते हैं, लेकिन इसमें कुछ अल्फाज की तरतीब और बुनत के एतबार से वो बात का मफ़हूम वाज़ेह करते हैं. जैसे उबला हुआ पानी चूल्हे पर रखा है, गरम खाना पेश हुआ था. Now you will understand if I say the boiled water is on the stove, like if I say the fresh food, the hot soup is on your table. I'm going to serve a hot soup for now. These are the perfect sentences that make you sense what I'm trying to say. So sentence is something that create with the structural value and adding some helping verbs in it, and make a full sentence that make you sense what someone is trying to say to you. So in Urdu, jumla is something that makes sense to you, that make that gives a meaning to you, that will make understand you what someone is trying to say. Okay, the difference between fikra and jumla is fikra is something a simple thing without any verb, without sometime without any punctuation or without anything, just two words, you say, as for example, glass, शीशे का glass, or something, um, something like that. Okay, so when we are going to say a full sentence like I am tired, if I say tired, yeah, or just I just send a message to you and said tired. What tired? I am tired, someone is tired, I don't know, what are you trying to say? Then when I say I am tired, or Samina is tired, then you got to know what I am trying to say. The word, the helping verb is entering the sentence and make it the full sense. Okay, now in Urdu it's entering the हुआ, रखा है, उबला हुआ पानी चूल्हे पर रखा है. Now the chulha, the stove is objective. Okay, जिसके ऊपर काम हो रहा है, something that's happening on it. So this is make something sense to you and make you understand what is the meaning of it. I hope it's clear to you. Now we are moving towards the basics of Urdu grammar, like ism, the noun, and the verbs. I hope you totally understand with the difference between fiqra and jumla. And now you are something probably expecting that I'm going to tell you about ism and fail, because the sentences, the difference between fiqra and jumla is basically belongs to the absence of fail, the verb. So the what is ism, what is noun? Okay, this ism is something, the name of a person, place, animal, or thing. This is ism, and this is very simple, I guess, because everyone of know about this thing, because from the very initial grades of school, we study about the ism and the noun, and verb, adjectives, and all of the things. Okay. Well, you already listened so many time about the word verbs. I repeatedly use this word fail, a verb. English in English we say verb, and Urdu we say fail. Something, someone doing. It's we called fail, the verb. Eating, walking, sleeping, praying. As you can see, a few of the examples on the screen, like eating, khana khana, walking, chalna, sleeping, sona, praying, dua mangna. This is something in Urdu we call the verbs. Let's move toward the next thing, and what the next is सिफ्थ एडजेक्टिव्स. वो एक बहादुर सिपाही है. Okay, वो एक बहादुर सिपाही है. I wrote this sentence in Urdu and in Roman and in English as well, because I just want you to be read it carefully and by yourself, to be familiar with the Urdu language. He is a brave boy. The brave word is adjective in the sentence. The basic level, when you understand the sif is something positive kind of thing, which describe the personalities, the positive side. A brave is the brave is the word that describe the person, that he is fearless. He can fight, he can face anything. He can say the word of justice. So the simple word brave describe the personality of a person, who and how he can behave in such a circumstances. um, so this is noun, verb, and adjective. Today you have learned. Uh, for me, the lecture is over now. So what have you going to do is just pick a storybook and start reading. If you are going to have any difficulty, just text me about this, or you can send me a voice note about your journey of reading a paragraph or something. Or if you want me to assist in it, you can read a paragraph and send it to me. And if I got something like you need to change, or you need to learn about it, I will definitely tell you the mistakes and the problems in the paragraph, inshallah ta'ala. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to stay with me for the next video. Bye.